In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install and play Clash of Clans in your PC. You need to open any browser and here search Play Store. After that, click on this link here as you can see. And here you need to download for beta. I have already downloaded and installed it, and I just need to open it. So I go to search option here, I go to Play Store, and here you can see Play Store for Meta. So I clicked on it and open it. After opening, this little page will pop up, and here Clans. Press enter. And after that, you can simply install and play Clash of Clans in your PC, and it will automatically in your desktop. Thanks, have a nice day. And there Clash of Clans is there, and press install, and after installing it will be directly in your desktop shortcut. Then open it and play. Thanks, have a nice day.